opening Milky Milk from LankyBox.
Wait.
So,
After I put the stuff in it.
there. Let's open this bag first. There we go. First one. Sharky stick shark. Okay, now we're gonna open this bag. There. I think we got a squishy. King Rocky! Squishy. Now we're gonna open this one. Foxy eating some KFC. Foxy eating some KFC. We got something. We got the little guy. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is hard to open. Okay, so now I got the scissors. So now we gotta cut it like open. We got rock. We got Emerald Rocky and see-through and an inverted Foxy. Hey, the last one. Stickers. Let's open these up. Okay.
No, wait.
We got LankyBox robot.
Wait.
We got Foxy's food diet. And then we got Robot Boxy and Robot Ghosty.
You put your stuff in.
So, let's review what we got.
Okay, go down here. Go down your dumpster.
So everything that we got
Okay, go in your dumpster.
this Milky Milk. And we got Foxy eating KFC. And we got Rocky King Squishy. And we got Dick Shark metallic with some sunglasses. And we got inverted Foxy. And we got Emerald Rocky. And we got Foxy's food diet. And we got Robot Boxy and Robot Ghosty sticker. And we got LankyBox robot sticker. And that's about it. Look at the button. Button! And it sings.